What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on the Subaru. We've got a Cobb Accessport to install. Oh my! That's right. I'm doing the first actual performance modification to the Subaru, and the first thing is the Accessport because I really want it to be able to monitor everything that's going on with the car, as well as have the ability to throw on some bolt-ons here and there. So before we get started on this video comparing how the car was stock to the stage 1 file from Cobb, let's go ahead and wash the car because it's absolutely dirty right now. Dirt's building up on the back, and you can barely even see that the wheels were silver. They're turning black. So let's get this thing washed up. Did you actually get You actually got so... They saw you! They got... Oh my god! I almost had a heart attack.
Yeah, that was real, like real fear. Like,
you almost got that bucket thrown at you though.
That would've been...
That was close.
No, that was sick.
What's up?
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Are we doing this or no?
Oh yeah, we're doing it.
Is it clean?
We're like halfway there.
Is this like the first wash of the year?
That was messed up.
No, hold on. No, it looks good.
No, it looks great.
No, today's big day.
Today's a huge day.
Today's big day.
Okay, so did you ever think that I was actually gonna do this?
Yes, you're Tommy. What do you mean?
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so I'm not sure how much stuff's gonna be in here. I did buy this used, got a pretty good price on it. He gave me some mounts over here, which I'm pretty stoked on the suction cup mount because one of my vents is already taken, so I kind of want to do like what everyone else does and like puts it up by like the left.
No, we need to make
vent.
it custom, bro.
I'm not cutting my dash like you.
Why not?
I'm sorry, I'm not cutting my dash.
You're not a savage like that?
It's my daily. I want to be able to see everything.
That's not your daily.
What? What do you?
What?
What? Why do I need an alcohol prep pad?
You never know when you're doing surgery on this thing.
That's weird.
Serious?
What's in here? Okay, okay. Oh, that's a necessity.
On each side.
Like you don't have a Subaru unless you have a Cobb sticker.
No, pretty much, right? We're doing it.
And there's the Accessport. Oh my god, it still has the cover on it, like the plastic.
Excellent.
What? Oh. Oh my god, it's magnetic. Look at that. wait, hold on.
I'm actually giving up.
That's so sick.
No, it's good.
All right. Should I leave the cover on or no?
Are you gonna be like Danny and just leave all plastics on?
Okay, I thought so. Wait, you left your cover on for like months.
No.
Yeah,
no.
you did.
No.
Alright, so to be honest, I have no idea how this works, so like, I just plug it in and I'm fast.
I'm not too familiar with Subarus, so.
So, I just realized, before we install the Accessport, we need to get some kind of driving in and stock so we both can feel the difference from stock to stage 1. And I think, all right, so basically, like I said before, the main reasons why I got the Accessport at this point in time in like the build of the car is I wanted the fuel economy. I wanted like the car to be a lot smoother. And I just really wanted to take advantage of all the aspects that the Accessport offers while not being like heavily modified. So that is kind of the route that I wanted to start with. So you'll see kind of my comparison between stock and stage 1 right here in just a second. They can't save cameras.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Alright, so we're going to do a 3rd gear pull from 4,000 RPM up to about 60 miles an hour or wherever red line is. Okay.
That pulled pretty good.
So that was really good. What I noticed is, like I said before, is like it kind of lags for a second, and then there is a CHP coming up from behind. Oh my god! I literally just had a heart attack.
That was sketch.
We weren't even going fast though, so I don't know what I did. I didn't do anything clearly, but
that was sketchy, bro.
I was like, oh my god, is he pulling us over for recording? I was like really confused there.
We just had a CHP come in real hot right now.
Yeah, and hit lights behind me too.
Hey, how's your heart? Oh, you're scared, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You're scared.
So scared.
That was sketch. That was sketchy.
So as I was saying, like, it was kind of lagged for a second, around 4,000 RPM, and then it hit really hard, like full boost, and then it kind of died, like towards the top. It kind of died around like 5,500 RPM. One thing I do kind of like dislike about the stock tune is the fact when I go to rev match to like downshift, it doesn't rev up pretty fast. Like it kind of like lags when I like touch the gas. So that's kind of annoying. I really hope that the Accessport kind of fixes that. Okay, so I think, does this happen to your car when like you step on the gas and you're not like going fast or anything, but you're just cruising, and then you lift off the gas and it feels like the engine kind of like just stops and it like shakes the whole car? Does that happen to you?
You might need to get it checked out with your doctor, bro.
No, but like when you lift off the gas, like it just like abruptly just like drops RPM or whatever, and then it just like feels kind of clunky.
I
like,
guess I
like
can't.
watch, like
Okay,
this,
let me
and
see.
it's just like going. You don't feel that?
I think
I was
you're
just like-
going. I think I kind of get what you're saying. Like it's an abrupt transition between what you're doing.
Like it's not really smooth.
Yeah.
Hey, how much do you think rent is for this little like shack here?
Santa Cruz, so it's probably $1,000
Probably 1,000.
a month.
No windows, no bathroom. Fresh paint, pretty sick. Did you do it?
Yeah, I did.
Let me see.
Again?
No way.
Yes.
I don't believe you.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Let's see.
Ready?
Ready. Was born ready. And 3, 2, 1.
Give me that good luck. Give me that good
slow.
luck. Give me that good luck. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ready? Ninja. American Ninja Warrior.
You almost just died right there. That was good. No, that was dope.
Honestly, I didn't get as high because I did like 3 at this point. I think I broke something though. But hey,
that was sick. That was sick. Mad respect. So we got it all connected, got the wire tucked up here nicely, and it's already powered on, which is super cool. Now I can start following some instructions here. As I install or troubleshoot. Alex!
What happened?
Do I just follow this guide? Car's loading up stage 1 right now. It says don't turn the car off or unplug the Accessport. So it's just still loading that data right now, and then we'll see what it says when it's done with that. We are back. Please turn and leave the ignition in the off position.
Leave it in the off position.
Okay, we're off. Continue.
Yup.
Please leave the ignition off. Reinitializing. Okay, that was quick. Turn the key into on position. Okay. Continue. Accessport resets ECU learning. We're getting tuned.
We're doing it.
Oh, I'm so stoked. I swear, if this car is faster than your WRX, I'm gonna laugh my ass off.
Honestly, like I said, like it's just an Impreza. Like I don't even think I have a turbo. It doesn't make sense.
No, you have a giant turbo. Actually,
it's kinda, yeah, it's all right.
Oh, it's done. That was quick. Okay, turn the car off for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. Okay. Remember to come down with that side. Gauges? Weird. Okay, well I should probably turn the car off. So, car off. Let's let that sit for a minute. So total time, you might be wondering, of how long it took to install this stage 1 map was literally like 2 minutes.
That was really fast.
That was like really quick.
That's faster than mine.
It takes me like 15 minutes to tune the Audi.
She doesn't have a fucking like laptop. And
I know, I have to use a full computer and it has to like, it's so complicated. So I hope it's safe to start the car now. We're gonna go for it.
Are we done?
This is the first start.
Okay.
This is the first start.
Imagine the first start just doesn't start.
Don't.
It's not gonna start.
Don't lie to me.
Yes.
It'll start. What do you mean?
No, it's not gonna start.
The heck does that mean?
Okay, just click on gauges, bro. Get in there.
Should I like let it prime? What the heck? Oh, there it goes.
That was kind of sketch, bro. That was kind of sketch, dog.
That
I was concerned.
That actually scared me. Because that literally gave me a flashback of when Alex and I were driving the Audi to Clean Culture.
Yup.
And I went to, because I was on the E40 file and I had to switch back to the 91 file because we couldn't find any E85. And the battery died. And I was like, that scared me.
That was
okay.
sketchy.
All right, so we're live.
We're live. No, we're doing it.
We're stage 1. All right, let's check out these gauges though. What's going on here? Okay, we got 6 gauges. I'll show you guys this. What do we got going on? We got AFR or AF correction 1.
But you need to set up all of them.
Okay, so I can change all these, right?
You could change all of them. You have 6 to choose.
All right. Let's go through this. All right, so I'm gonna change a bunch of these to what I kind of want to do for all 6 gauges, and then I'll catch up with you guys on what I decided with. And okay, so I decided on the 6 gauges. We're doing boost, coolant temp, fuel economy, AFR ratio, we got intake temp, and then we have this one called DAM, which apparently what everyone on the Subaru forum says is if this doesn't equal 1 all the time, stop your car because something is definitely off. I don't really exactly know what that means. Do you?
It's a dynamic advance. I believe
So, like,
it's
what does that
timing.
mean?
I believe it's timing.
So it's just like general timing?
I think so. I could be absolutely wrong, but if I had to guess, that's what I would guess.
Interesting. Well, I will be sure to monitor that and make sure it's 1 all the time.
But I want to get like your live reaction to doing
What?
it. Okay, let's do it.
Is this shit about to shoot flame or what?
So,
Do I have a flame tune?
you don't have a flame tune, but you are the master of wop bop bop bop. Have you even done launch control?
Oh my god, no
Seriously,
way.
no. Have you done it?
This
or
has
not?
launch
Have you done
control?
it? No, absolutely.
No, I haven't done
No,
it.
we'll set it up right now. You want me to show
What do you mean?
Okay, now we're gonna show Tommy
No.
why the Accessport is freaking sick and how you can
Okay.
set launch control. And
I love
what
launch
RPM you
control,
want.
and all I ever want
Right now, it should be precise.
is literally just to like have like 2-step basically.
No, yeah.
Is
we're
it
gonna have
2-step?
right now. No, we're gonna have it.
Okay.
We're doing it.
All right,
okay,
you have to show
so what we got to do is we'll go back. Then we're gonna go to performance. Then we're gonna, oh no, not performance. I'm sorry. We're gonna go to tune. Then we're gonna go to adjustments. Then we're gonna go, you can do flat foot shift and launch control, and you can adjust your idle, your timing, whatever you want on the fly.
My
So then now we're gonna go to launch control. And we're not doing 8,000 because I know you would absolutely do 8,000 if you could. So I think a normal launch control will do like 34. Just to start
8,000.
it out. No, we'll do 30.
car doesn't even go to 8,000 RPM, I swear.
Now, I believe it should be set up.
So what do I do?
So we'll go back to gauges.
Do you have to turn
Now-
off traction control?
Now what we're gonna do, you're not gonna launch it because we're gonna die, but we're gonna put your foot in the clutch, put it in first gear. Do you want me to record from inside or outside the camera for you? Inside to get your reaction? That's fine.
We'll do 2 times.
Let's just see if it works. So, go first gear.
You're not lying to me right now, are you?
I mean, I hope it works. It should work. I think I know what I'm doing. I'm nervous. Well, I don't know why I'm more nervous than you, and you're about to just. It feels weird, but just put your foot on the clutch and then put your foot all the way to the ground on the gas, and it should just go pop, pop, pop.
Oh my gosh.
It needs to be set it at like.
All right, I need a straight pipe right now.
No, we need a straight pipe. Absolutely. It needs to sound way louder, bro. That sounds like a little bitch right now.
That is so cool.
I think mine's probably set at 42. It might sound a little bit sicker, but it's obviously going to sound way better once you actually have an exhaust and downpipe. You have launch control. That's all that matters. You're actually gonna send it at midnight tonight, and no one's looking. You're dirty.
Oh, never.
No, we wouldn't do that.
Never. That is so sick.
No. So Tommy already set launch control to 4,500 now, so we'll see what this sounds like. Yeah. I mean, it smells terrible.
That is so sick.
No,
it's
it's sick.
faster, like the higher RPM you're at.
Yeah, no, it is. It bounces off faster.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that everywhere.
I know.
You weren't gonna tell me about this, were you?
Because you're gonna try to be a racer and blow up the STI.
Bro, the Audi has this. Guys, I can measure my 0 to 60 and my quarter mile.
Oh God.
Oh, we're for sure doing that.
It's slow. My car is slow. When I realized.
This is probably like a 13 quarter mile.
I don't
13?
know. I mean, we could find out, you know, it might blow up by the time it gets to the end of the quarter.
I'm not quarter mile. I'm not launching this car because I don't want it to break. It's my daily. All right, so now I think it's time to take the car out for another test drive to kind of compare from what we had when it was stock to now stage 1. Let's go. So some things that I noticed when I was looking up on the internet is for the stage 1 map, there's different boost settings for the SI drive. So on intelligent mode, it like locks at 8 PSI is what it says. And then in sport mode, it locks at 14 PSI and then 18 PSI in sport chart.
Interesting.
That's like kind of a lot.
That is kind of a lot.
So for like a stock turbo car. So we're gonna start in sport chart, obviously, and kind of see how it feels from a 3rd gear pull, just like we did before.
Oh! No, it is kind of nice.
That wasn't even red line.
That is kind of nice.
That was like really nice.
That was like nice.
Okay, why don't we try 2nd because I don't...
Where are we at? Wait, is this the most intense one or no?
Yeah, this is 18 PSI.
Okay, perfect.
Let's see on the gauge what it says.
Oh, shit, okay.
Oh my god.
No, that's like real. No, that's real.
Wow.
No, that's actually real. That's a difference for sure.
That was like way better. Alright, so after driving the car a little bit, I'm definitely noticing that what people were saying it's like more drive-by cable. It's totally true. Like, it's way more linear. You really feel the throttle response like kind of kick in and stuff. It's much more manageable, I would say, if you're kind of driving in the mountains and everything like that. I also noticed that the MPG on the Cobb Accessport, if that's 100% accurate, the MPG is way higher. It kind of looks like I'm getting like 3 to 4 miles a gallon higher than I was before, which is totally worth it already just from that. Overall, the car is just so much smoother, and I'm really stoked that I kind of pulled the trigger on this, and I definitely think it's kind of a necessity,
100%.
to be honest. Like, this just makes the car so much more well-rounded than it does from factory. It's just honestly perfect. So overall, I'm completely satisfied with this purchase. I definitely think it should be #1 on the list for first modifications to your car. If you guys are kind of on the edge, I definitely think you should go with it. Try to find a used one because they are pretty pricey new. Overall, I'm super stoked and I can't wait to do more to the car. Let me know what you guys think I should do next to complement the Accessport. Okay, let's see. So once again, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.